Are you planning a trip but you're not sure exactly where to go? Maybe you're afraid of traveling alone, not sure what to pack, afraid you're gonna get scammed. Fear not, I have devised a way to help you out. Due to repeated requests from the community, I'm now offering one-to-one consultation calls where we can discuss anything travel related, or hell, not travel related too. The sky is the limit, folks. You can ask me whatever you want, although I will say up front, I can't guarantee to have all of the answers because I'm still learning things myself. I realize the word consultation sounds extremely professional, but in reality, it's just a one-to-one video call where you can pick my brains and I'll try to share with you everything I've come to learn about travel. This could be perfect for you if you're planning an adventure of your own, or maybe you just want some specific insight into something you've seen in one of my videos. I've really built a wealth of knowledge over the past 8 years of traveling. So this is an opportunity for you to draw from my experience on a personal one-to-one session. You could be curious about anything ranging from what type of luggage I use, which I actually just changed the other day, to how many pairs of socks or underwear I pack, what I look for when booking accommodation, or maybe the 5 things that I just can't live without during travel. So let's talk travel. I've left a link in the description with all of my available times so you can schedule your call. So just hop on over there and I'll talk to you soon. Ciao.